Right, a little while ago I did a review on the ATuMan electronic screwdriver, and then I had another set, the ATuMan Mini, and that's a box set in beech wood. And today I've got another box set made by ATuMan, and this set is the X-3 58-in-1 screwdriver and repair tool set. And this is the largest ATuMan set I've seen, and again it comes in this lovely solid beechwood box with rare earth magnets in both top and bottom, so when the lid goes on it closes nicely, and you can actually even pick it up by the lid and it won't come off unless you hold the lower half. You can put the lid out on the table for taking small components as you're taking things apart. The handle is 7075 aluminium, and it has a bearing head here in which to place in the palm so it actually rotates nicely in the hand. Also, this one has a hole right the way through in which you can actually use the extension piece as a Tommy bar. So in all there's 58 components in the box, 54 bits, and these range from the smallest crossheads to the larger type here, and is a really excellent jeweler's type screwdriver set. And what I like about this set, it has this extension piece. So you can use it as a long screwdriver. It has an excellent set of tweezers. Very sharp pointed tweezers those are. And it has a magnetizer and demagnetizer tool, so you can actually magnetize the bits by putting them in that side and demagnetize them by drawing through the top here towards the back. And I'll show you that one working. First of all, I'll magnetize this bit here by putting it in the front here, and it will pick up the ruler. And then I'll place it in the top here and demagnetize it. And now it won't pick that ruler up at all. And it's a great tool as well for demagnetizing drill bits to stop them picking up swarf. And again, this set is excellent for taking apart phones, tablets and small electrical items, and probably even watches and things like that, seeing how small these screwdriver bits are. And obviously the bits are also interchangeable with the ATuMan Mini set and the ATuMan electronic screwdriver. All the bits have their individual places in the box. The plastic insert here is clearly marked up with exactly what the bits are, and they're held in place by a magnet. So it's a pretty extensive set of bits, and there's bits in there for Apple 0.8 and Apple 1.2. And there's even a zigzag screwdriver bit for the iPhone 7. So now I'll put up a list of all those 58 bits so you can actually see exactly what's in the box. You can actually pause that and have a look. Or you can see all those details on the Banggood listing. And I think it's an absolute excellent set. I do like the actual style of bit and the actual handle. You can see that it's all really high quality, and I'm really pleased with that. And it's absolutely fantastic that all these bits can actually be used with the ATuMan electronic screwdriver as well. And just before I finish, I'd just like to say that this ATuMan box set is on special offer at the moment, and it's being sold at an amazingly low price.